All right, folks, Wednesday morning, time to get after it. I'd like to be getting after it outside, but we got a little bit of rain come through, so I'm going to get after it right here in the office. So, again, another hostile night here in Chicago. It's more civil unrest, more riots, more protests. Hearing that we're seeing much of the same across the U.S. and various cities. So in light of that, in light of 3 months of a pandemic and COVID-19, this market continues to drive higher. 2% move to the upside yesterday in the Dow. Another 150 points overnight. So when you take a step back and you look at these markets, you look at the S&P, we're just shy of 3,100 in the S&P. So we're looking at levels that we last saw that first week of March. Look at the Dow Jones, about 150 points shy of 26,000 again. Last time we saw that was last March. So we continue to claw our way back, and it's been quite a retracement over a 2+ month period since this pandemic started. Hop over into the currencies. Some impressive moves there as well. We continue to see that risk on, so weakness in the dollar and folks piling into the euro, the British pound, and the Aussie dollar. That euro in particular, in a 1 month time period, we've gone from $1.08 to hitting $1.12 last night. Big move in these currencies. Hop over to the oil market. Volatility, we've seen that for the past better part of a month now. Again, last night, seeing volatility to the downside, 2.5% move to the downside. And this is coming off of news that we were supposed to, or at least there's speculation, we're going to have an early OPEC meeting as soon as tomorrow. There's now rumblings on the street that meeting may or may not happen. And that's putting some pressure on oil today. Again, 2.5% move to the downside. We're at about $36 a barrel in WTI. So a lot of crazy out there. We've got a big number coming out on Friday. We've got that May jobs report. So for you folks who are looking to make a prediction on the unemployment rate, you can do so on Nadex today, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time on Friday. We get that number. So still a big week of trading ahead of us and a lot of opportunity out there to be had. So hope you folks are staying safe. I'll check in with you again tomorrow. Check in with us on Facebook and Twitter. And like I said yesterday, do something positive for someone else. Let's try and spread some kindness and some positivity in this world and push out some of this hostility and tension. Hope everybody has a great day. Take care.